Thermostat mounting that's loose or sloppy can make your heating and cooling act up, misread temperatures, and leave you fiddling with controls all the time. A properly mounted thermostat starts with solid substrate and level alignment, UO. If the device wobbles, it can break internal connectors or shift sensors, causing intermittent readings. First, remove the existing plate and check for a stud or a firm backing, and if there is none, cut a small access hole and install a 1-gang plywood backing or use a rated electrical box so the thermostat screws bite into wood, not drywall. Second, avoid over-tightening screws that can crush plastic housings. Instead, use a torque-limited driver or tighten until snug and then a quarter turn, verifying no flex remains when you press the faceplate. Third, for hollow walls, choose self-drilling metal anchors or high-quality toggle anchors rated for the thermostat weight and wiring stress, and pre-drill with the recommended bit size to prevent loose anchors. Fourth, route wires so there is slack behind the mounting plate, but not so much that they push the plate away from the wall. Secure wiring with a small dab of silicone if necessary to stop tugging during cover installation. Fifth, check the physical interface between the thermostat and base for corroded pins or bent terminals. Replace the base if contact resistance is high, measuring continuity with a simple multimeter when in doubt. Sixth, when replacing older mechanical thermostats with smart units, ensure the new device's mounting pattern matches, or use an adjustable adapter plate to avoid canting the unit and altering sensor placement. Seventh, verify level and orientation with a simple bubble level. Even a few degrees tilt on devices with side-mounted sensors can shift convection patterns and skew temperature readings. Eighth, after mounting, monitor runtime and cycle frequency for 24 to 48 hours and compare to historical patterns, US. Increased short cycling or longer runs both signal a placement or mounting issue that needs rework. One of the biggest mistakes is poor wall anchoring causing thermostat looseness, which leads to intermittent electrical connection and erratic temperature control SS. Fix this by installing a solid wood backing or proper anchors rated for the wall type and weight. One of the second common errors is over-torquing screws that crack the housing and let wiring slip, which you prevent by using the correct screw length, a torque-limited driver, and checking for snugness, not force. One of the third frequent problems is routing wires without slack, so covers push the base out and stress terminals. Remedy that by adding controlled slack, securing wires with strain relief, and testing terminal continuity before finalizing installation. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local contractors and detailed project write-ups that match this thermostat mounting advice, so homeowners can find licensed professionals who follow these best practices. Contractors use BigHomeProjects.com to connect with nearby clients looking for trustworthy installation, repair, and retrofit work.